Yes, that's right. The video that you are seeing right now has the title which has been constantly updating with the number of views. But how? I have seen this video of Tom Scott and my mind was like, how did he do this trick such that it is still counting even after 4 years? Did he hide any person to change the title for every view? Or maybe YouTube is supporting him. How the fuck this thing is happening in this world? Let me reveal the secret. Mainly, there are two processes to make this thing work out. One is screen scraping method. It means the code checks the views of the video and changes the title every time when you refresh. But if you can write a code to change the title like that, you can also write the code for the new signups and spam accounts. But it's not going to work like that. And another is through Google API. This one is more efficient than the previous one. So I tried it and yeah, it worked. It's simple, man. It may broke anytime and we can't say when it will happen. I'm not gonna explain the process how I did it as it was very boring. So I'm going to leave the link of the video where I learned from in the description. So if you want the process, just go through it. That's all for the video. Thank you.
I was born to kill it. I was meant to win. I am down and willing, so I will find a way. It took a